boys and girls, this is Mrs. Rohrig with another math lesson today. For this math lesson, we're not going to record anything in our math book, but we are going to use something that is inside of it. So the last time we did a lesson together, we did cut out our cards, our number cards, so that we could use them for numbering from least to greatest. Well, we are going to use number cards again today. However, we are only going to use number cards for the numbers 0 through 5. So I have taken out all of the numbers 0 through 5 in my deck. So I have all of those numbers here. So I separated them. So I can take my big numbers and put them off to the side. So the only thing that I have are my numbers 0 to 5. And then what we're going to do is open up our math book. And you guys already have these cut out. But we do have these extra blank cards. And I'm going to ask that we use these blank cards today. So I'd like for you to get a marker or maybe even a pencil, and we are going to write numbers on these blank cards. So we're going to start with the number 0, then 1, 2, and then flip the page to the full blank. So we had 2, now we're going to write 3, 4, 5, and then once you get to 5, we're not going to jump to 6. Remember, we're using numbers today from 0 through 5. So we're going to start on this one, and we're going to start with the number 0 again. 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So once you have your numbers written on your number cards, I'm going to ask again that you cut these out nice and neat so that you can use them for our game today. So go ahead and do that and make sure that you separate your numbers that you had already had cut out so that once you're all the way done, you're going to have some numbers that are from our book, and then you're going to have some numbers that you have written on from 0 all the way to 5. Now what we're going to play is a game we have played in our classroom before, except it's going to be a little different. So you guys have played Top It before, when you flip over cards and you determine which one is greater than the other. And then you or your partner would be the winner, and you would take those cards. Well, today we are going to play Addition Top It. So I'm going to ask that you find a partner. It could be your mom, your dad, maybe a sibling, and you are going to play Addition Top It. So if you're in my class, you know that I usually choose Lucy to be my partner when we're playing a game. So today I'm going to have Lucy be my partner, and I am going to be playing over here. So our deck of cards is going to be in the middle of my partner and I am going to go ahead and go first. So I'm going to take 2 cards from the top pile, 1 and 2. So what I'm going to do with these 2 numbers is I'm going to add them together. 1 plus 2 equals 3. So my number is 3. Now it's going to be my partner's turn. So Lucy is going to go. She's going to flip her cards over. She has a 3 and 1. So 3 plus 1 equals 4. So I had 3 as my total, and Lucy had 4 as her total. So who is going to be the winner of this round? Lucy, right. So she is going to take my 2 cards and her 2 cards and put them in a pile over by her. Okay? Now we get to go again. I'm going to go ahead and draw. We have a 4 and a 2. So for mine, I have 4 plus 2 equals 6. So my total is 6. Now it's Lucy's turn to go. She has a 5 and a 3. 5 plus 3 equals 8. So my total is 6. Her total is 8. Who has a bigger total? She does, right? Lucy has a bigger total. So she is going to take my 2 cards and her 2 cards and add them to her pile over here. Now it will be my turn again. 4 plus 0 equals 4. And Lucy's turn, 0 plus 4 equals 4. Now, we did this in our classroom. If we have a tie, so my tie over, I have 4 and Lucy has 4. We are both tied. So we need to have a tie breaker or see who is going to be the winner of this round. So I'm going to take my cards and I'm going to put them right on top. 3 and 5. So now I have a new total. My new total is 8. And then Lucy needs a new total. 0 and 2. So now my total is 8 and her total is 2. Who has more? Who has a bigger total? I do. So I'm going to take all of these cards and all of my cards and put them in a pile over here. Now I only have 1 card left. So I don't have enough to play another game. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to total up my cards and Lucy is going to total up her cards to determine who has more and who is the winner. When you guys are done, you can take your cards, put them back together, you can shuffle them, and you can play again. Good luck! Have fun!